Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have an aroma flight to share with you guys. This is from Plant Therapy. This is the kind of flight that I am into these days. This is 10 essential oils. I'm going to share each one, open it and show you, and then give you some uses for each one so you can get into them and start using them. This set is $24.99. It has 10 essential oils and there are about 20 drops in each bottle. So that can get you quite a few uses, especially if you're diffusing or making rollers and things. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Super cute. I just shared a reel on my Instagram too with this and different uses too. There's also a blog post that goes with this with all of the uses plus more in here and more about each one and the link to shop. So make sure you click through to read that too, but that's where I'm reading from. But lavender is first. So this is organic lavender. Lavender is the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. So here is, the bottle is so stinking cute. And then each lid, hopefully you can see it's so tiny, but organic lavender. So first of all, it just smells amazing. Lavender is the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. It has a million uses, but currently what we're using it for is some skin soothing balms and sprays and roll-ons for after sun. It's really great for that. And always using it for sleep. It's so good to diffuse at night. It's so calming. Organic lavender from Plant Therapy. So many uses. I love lavender too because it's one of those oils that can be used for so many things and it's generally safe for everyone. Lemon is next. Lemon, this is also organic. We use lemon mostly in cleaning and then it's like a natural Goo Gone to get sticky residue off of things. My girls like to put stickers on things and I hate that. I am not a sticker on the windows and on everything type of parent. And so I use this to get so many stickers off, but also labels from TJ Maxx, whatever, to pop off little rubber bands from their hair, to add to cleaning recipes. It's super happy, energizing, uplifting. So mood boosting benefits from lemon, so many uses. Peppermint is next. Peppermint is just so fresh and invigorating, so I really love it to diffuse. Also, you can make an inhaler with peppermint to use before workouts. It just smells so fresh and so good. It just instantly wakes you up. But we also use peppermint a lot for headache relief. So I have 3 natural things I do before I take ibuprofen, and my peppermint headache roller is in that top 3. Rosemary is next. Rosemary is also super fresh, but in spa vibe type of way. So this is for mental clarity. Diffuse this while you're working or studying or in school, or have a personal inhaler or whatever you can have for school. It's amazing. And then also it's really great, and there's a study, I can try to link it in this blog post, with how well it helps with hair growth and thickness. It was paired with a prescription drug for hair growth, and it worked just as well. So it's really good to add to hair products like a mermaid hairspray, or add a few drops to your shampoo, conditioner, things like that. Oh, it's also good for sore muscles, which there will be, I think there's another oil in here too, but you can add it to a muscle rub for that purpose. Tea tree, also organic. This one, tea tree is also super powerful in such a different way though than lavender. It's like a purifying, antibacterial. It does not smell, it's not one that you're gonna be like, oh, I just need to smell tea tree right now. It doesn't smell great, but it's super powerful. Spot treatment for acne. Using DIY cleaning sprays. You can also add this one to shampoo. So if you're having some sort of derma, like scalp issues, or if you're having fungal issues, it's really great for that. Just make sure you dilute tea tree. It's super powerful. Deodorizing is a blend of palmarosa, lemon, patchouli, cypress, coriander, pink grapefruit, bergamot, and tea tree. So super powerful in using as a carpet spray, a cleaning, diffusing after cooking salmon or something that's smelly, making a spray for your gym bag, anything that you need to make the aroma of something smell better. Deodorizing, you can make a deodorant, DIY deodorant with it. Let's see. A car diffuser, a car air freshener, things like that. Germ fighting blend. This is also a blend. Let's pull that one up. So it's cinnamon, lemon, eucalyptus, clove, and rosemary. So this is a very standard issue germ fighting blend. A lot of brands have germ fighting or immune support blends that are similar. It's very cinnamony, very powerful in that way. You can make a hand sanitizer. What else do I have in my list? immune support in your diffuser during cold and sick months. You can make wipes with it, disinfecting wipes. Just diffusing those, great. Put on the soles of your feet or on your spine, or making different cleaning blends. Immune Aid is next. So this is somewhat of a similar purpose, but this one is frankincense, sweet orange, lemon, eucalyptus, tea tree, and rosemary. So it smells a little bit different, a little bit more medicinal with those different essential oils, but you can also diffuse this for immune support, roll on anywhere for wellness routine, make a DIY chest balm, personal inhalers, you name it. But this one's going to support you more, I think, when you are sick, where the germ fighter is to prevent getting sick. Referral Aid and Sniffle Stopper are the last two, and those are also supports so when you are sick. So Referral Aid, this one is eucalyptus, peppermint, and pine, lavender, black spruce, cypress, and marjoram. So a lot of those tree oils, those are super powerful in respiratory support. So this one also diffuse, make a chest rub. Think Vicks Vapor Rub purpose. This is going to be Referral Aid. This has helped us countless times. This type of blend, it smells like a spa. You can put it on your shower floor, make a bath bomb or a shower steamer. Think that type of use for Referral Aid. And then Sniffle Stopper also. Our kids are a little bit older now, so I feel like we don't reach for these types of blends as much, but these work so well. Just roll it wherever, diluted properly per age. If you have any questions on that, just let me know. But this is fir, rosalina, black spruce, cypress, spearmint, and cedarwood. So it's got like calming, but also has all of those powerful tree oils too to help really aid in respiratory stuffiness, runny nose, things like that. So this has so many uses. It's such a powerful pack of 10 little essential oils. If you are new to oils, if you are looking to give someone a gift to introduce them to oils, this would be great. It's so affordable too, $25. So many uses. So I wanted to share this. Thank you guys so much for watching. The link will be down below along with the blog post. Let me know if you have any questions on any of the things that I talked about. And thank you guys for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.